working on my Shark vacuum. Sadly, I was vacuuming the rug, and now you can kind of hear it. The motor's running to spin that front, but I think the band broke inside. So we're going to pull it apart and see what's going on. Oh, here we go. Probably should wash this. That one. Talk about the bit quick here. It's a dual end PH2 Phillips. I got this at Menards. They hold up quite well. I think there's a couple behind these. Oh yeah. See how much goodies we got in there. Well, she may have just slipped off. Everything looks pretty good. Kind of put it back together and test it just to make sure it works, and then we'll clean it. This is the band that usually breaks. Look at that. And this must be that switch. We're going to plug it in and try it. Oh, we're going to turn the switch off. Pop this out of there so this can be free. Move this out of the way. Pick up all our screws. All right, let's see what happens. She's just going to go for it. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Let's try a switch. That works. Cut all the hair and carpet out of the roller. Nasty. Wipe the roller. Spray everything down. Let's put it back together now. Okay. Back in business.